In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use indicator templates in GoCharting. First, open your browser and head to GoCharting.com. On the homepage, open the Products menu, then choose Charts to launch the web terminal. Once the chart loads, look for the three dots menu in the top bar. This expands more options for the chart layout. Click Indicators to bring up the indicator panel. Inside the panel, switch to the Templates section. This is where you can bundle a set of indicators and save them for one-click reuse. Before saving anything, let's add the studies that will make up the template. Go to the study category to pick indicators that appear in their own panes, and then move to overlay for indicators that sit on top of price. From overlay, add ATR band to visualize a volatility-based envelope around price. Then add ATR trailing stop, which plots a dynamic stop line that moves with average true range. Finally, add Bollinger Band to layer in a moving average band that helps you gauge expansion and contraction. You'll now see these applied to your chart. Each time you click an indicator in the list, it's added instantly with default inputs. If you want the template to carry your exact look and feel, open each indicator settings and tweak lengths, multipliers, or colors before you move on. With the indicators added, return to the template section of the indicator panel to save them as a package. Type a clear, memorable name for the template so you can recognize it later. Using a short descriptive naming convention, like combining the key indicators in the name, makes it easy to spot later. You'll also see options to save the current symbol and the current interval with the template. Turn on Save Symbol if you want this template to always open with the same market you're viewing right now. Turn on Save Interval if you want it to remember the time frame as part of the setup. Choose what fits your workflow, then click Save. From now on, your template will live inside the Templates area of the Indicators panel, ready to apply in a single click whenever you open a chart. This keeps your analysis consistent and saves time, especially if you switch symbols often or rebuild layouts across devices. If you adjust any settings on these indicators later, you can revisit the Templates section and save again with the same name to update your preset, or create a new one to keep variations side by side. That's all there is to creating and using indicator templates in GoCharting. Simple, fast, and reliable.